External conditions using built-in mic. When using the built-in mic in external conditions, the sound was good and very clear. Internal conditions using a built-in mic. Using the built-in mic in external conditions, again the sound was clear. I will be using this in my work. External conditions using the Rode mic. Using the Rode mic in external conditions was not good because the sound was clear, although the background noise was too loud. Internal conditions using the Rode mic. Using the Rode mic in internal conditions was good because the sound was very clear, although the quality of the sound was not great because of too much echoing in the background. Using the plug-in mic in external conditions was not good because the mic did not work. Internal conditions using a plug-in mic. Using the plug-in mic in external conditions was not good because the microphone again did not work.